guys, we're here at the hip abduction adduction machine, pin loaded, and two movements on this one: internal, external, or inner thigh, outer thigh, glutes, adductors. Couple of different adjustments. We'll start with the abduction, which is take away. And so what you need to do is keep the pads in this position to do the abduction. There's two adjustments. One on the back here of the seat, which allows the seat to come down and up. And you'll feel that if the further down you go, the more you feel glutes with the abduction, and up here, glute medius. So we take a seat inside, making sure that with this adjustment, we bring it all the way, knees touching. Bring it down, select your weight, whatever the stack is that you need, whatever the weight is. You'll find with abduction, you'll be able to lift much heavier than you will be for adduction. Anyway, the movement is quite smooth. As we abduct, we push out and we feel through glutes the resistance. Once you're done with that, you can adjust for adduction, adduct, which you're adding to the body, so you're bringing in. And we do that by adjusting these pads. Again, you can adjust the seat. You can leave it at this angle, or you can go a little further down. It gives you a little bit of a different feeling. We take a seat, and like I said before, you need to probably adjust the weight stack because you won't be able to lift as much with adduction, A-double-D-duction, as you would with abduction. We adjust with the handle, the angle, and you open it up as far as you can by pulling that handle, letting it go, and it'll clip into place. Once it's clipped into place, then you can provide the resistance. Nice and slow and controlled as we work inner thigh. Once you're done, let that go. Hopefully it's not too high or too far wide, and you just hop out. And that's both adduction and adduction. Don't forget to wipe down. That's that.